Greetings, students. Today I wanted to help you figure out how to put images into a Canvas discussion, or frankly, any text entry box that you see in Canvas. Some of our discussions, it really helps if we have the visuals or the pictures that people put in, and if you just attach them when someone scrolls through, they're not seeing the cool images like pop up right immediately that are really engaging and interesting and make things a little more fun. And we like things to be more fun. So I want to show you how to do that real quick. So here's your classic text entry box. You have all these different icons that mean different things. This one is for videos like YouTube, etc. Here we have the little mountain that looks like it's in a picture, very similar to the Google version of this. So you have a couple different ways that you can put images into your text entry box. One is using the URL or the web address of the images, like when we're doing Google Docs. Make sure that you have proper permissions, of course. If you right click on the image, go copy image address, go back, paste, and then I'm going to scroll down, hit update. It gives me a very large image, no problem. If I click on it and then I have these little boxes here, I can shrink it when my mouse is behaving to be whatever size I need it to be, which is just no problem. I also want to show you one more way to do it. You can click here, we'll click again, we can add another image just for fun. It's not going to be very obvious, but if you click on Canvas, then you'll notice here it's got my files. This is a place that you can put things, okay? It's just a folder on Canvas where you can store things. Handy, right? Well, notice where it says upload file. So this is where you can get images from your personal computer and put it into Canvas, okay? Let's see. Yeah, emoji. Okay, so I picked an image from my computer, and now what I wanted to do, I just double check everything. I'm going to hit update. So I already hit upload once. That puts it in my file on Canvas. Then I hit update, and it puts it here in my discussion. Okay, and then I can hit post reply. I can still add text. I love to snorkel. Okay, see how that works? I hope this helps you out. Put images into the text entry boxes and discussions on Canvas. Have a fabulous